Keeping your floors clean can be a constant battle, especially if you have pets, kids, or a busy household. Traditional mops often just spread dirt around, and using harsh chemicals isn't ideal for your health or the environment. Enter the PurSteam Steam Mop, a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly solution that promises to transform your cleaning routine. In this detailed review, we'll delve into its features, performance, and why it's a must-have for any modern home. The PurSteam Steam Mop boasts a sleek and modern design with a vibrant turquoise and white color scheme. Its lightweight construction and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver, reducing strain on your wrists and back. The foldable handle is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to store the mop conveniently in tight spaces, such as cupboards or closets. One of the standout features of the PurSteam Steam Mop is its rapid heating time. Ready to use in just 20 seconds, it eliminates the frustrating wait associated with many other steam cleaners. This quick heat-up time means you can tackle spills and messes immediately, making it perfect for busy households where time is of the essence. The mop is equipped with a generous 18.6 FL Oz 550 ml water tank, which provides ample steam for extended cleaning sessions. This large capacity allows you to clean large areas without needing to refill frequently. Simply fill the tank, turn on the mop, and adjust the steam flow with a simple twist of the dial to suit your cleaning needs. With a 28-foot power cord, the PurSteam Steam Mop offers exceptional reach and flexibility. This extra-long cord allows you to clean large rooms without constantly switching outlets, and you can easily maneuver around furniture and obstacles. This feature is particularly useful for those with expansive living spaces or those who prefer uninterrupted cleaning. The PurSteam Steam Mop is a versatile cleaning tool that works on a variety of surfaces. It's designed to clean and sanitize hard floors, such as tile, sealed stone, marble, and laminate, as well as freshen up carpets. The included carpet glider makes it easy to switch between hard floor and carpet cleaning, offering a convenient all-in-one solution for your home. One of the major benefits of the PurSteam Steam Mop is its ability to clean without the use of harsh chemicals. By using only water, it produces high-temperature steam that effectively sanitizes surfaces, killing 99.9% of germs and bacteria. This is especially beneficial for households with children, pets, or allergy sufferers, as it ensures a safe and healthy living environment. The Steam Mop comes with 2 washable microfiber cloth pads that are highly absorbent and durable. These pads are designed to trap dirt and grime, ensuring that your floors are left spotless. The fact that they are washable means you can reuse them multiple times, making the mop an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. The PurSteam Steam Mop is designed with user convenience in mind. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to handle, and the intuitive controls ensure that anyone can use it effectively. The foldable handle allows for easy storage, and the inclusion of a measuring cup makes filling the water tank a breeze. Additionally, the mop's straightforward design means that maintenance is minimal, allowing you to focus on cleaning rather than upkeep. Pet owners will particularly appreciate the PurSteam Steam Mop's ability to clean and sanitize without chemicals. High-temperature steam is effective in cleaning pet bedding, toys, and other surfaces that pets frequently use, ensuring that they are free from germs and bacteria. This makes it an excellent choice for maintaining a clean and healthy environment for your furry friends. In real-world use, the PurSteam Steam Mop excels at removing everyday dirt and grime, as well as tackling tougher stains and messes. Users have praised its ability to quickly and efficiently clean a variety of surfaces, leaving them looking refreshed and sanitized. The mop's ease of use and powerful steam output make it a favorite among those looking for a reliable and effective cleaning solution. What's included? The PurSteam Steam Mop package includes everything you need to get started. PurSteam Steam Mop with a foldable handle. 2 washable microfiber cloth steam mop pads. 1 carpet glider. Measuring cup. These accessories ensure that you have the right tools for different cleaning tasks, whether you're tackling hard floors or refreshing carpets. Conclusion: The PurSteam Steam Mop is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly cleaning tool that offers an efficient solution for maintaining spotless floors. Its rapid heating time, large water tank, and extra-long cord make it exceptionally convenient, while its chemical-free cleaning ensures a safe and healthy home environment. The included washable pads and carpet glider add to its versatility, making it a valuable addition to any household. If you're looking for a steam mop that combines power, efficiency, and ease of use, the PurSteam Steam Mop is an excellent choice. Transform your cleaning routine with this innovative steam mop and enjoy the benefits of a cleaner, healthier home every day. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.